This video shows cleaning the spawning beds on the River Ouse for chub and barbel. I think most clubs from walking the rivers in the latter half of the close season should know the areas where the chub and barbel tend to congregate to spawn, and these should be the areas targeted to clean the gravel. If left alone, the gravels where our chub and barbel congregate to spawn in the rivers become hardened by the algae and the pollutants that enter the watercourses and become unsuitable areas for the fish to spawn in. We got 2 Honda WB20 water pumps. We'd been given these by the Environment Agency. The water is sucked in through a wide pipe and is squirted out in a very powerful jet through a much narrower pipe. This is then inserted under the gravel, and all the silt, algae and other impurities are blown out and washed away downstream. It's been known for a long time that a large amount of silt, algae and other fine materials within spawning gravels reduces the amount of oxygen permeating into these gravels and hinders the development of eggs and small fry. These high pressure water jets that we're inserting under the gravels are blowing away the silt, algae and other fine materials and washing them downstream. Garden forks can also be used to loosen the gravels and also to rake them over after the high pressure water pipes have been inserted into them. The light brown area shows the area that we've cleaned this morning. It has been cleaned a few times in the past. We're now going to clear another area above the bridge at Turvey. Firstly, we are loosening the gravels with a garden fork. Some weeds are good for the barbel and a sign of good quality spawning areas. One such weed is ranunculus or water crowfoot, which has white flowers on it later on in the year. This is the spawning area after we've worked on it. The next day was a bit more cloudy and there was a bit of rain about. We went to Only Weirpool to clean the gravels. We chose an area where members of the Only and Clifton Fishing Association had seen the barbel and chub spawning in prior seasons. These are the newly cleaned gravels, now more suitable for the barbel and chub to spawn on, and also acting as a biological filter for part of the watercourse.